demand. If demand suddenly doubles next year, what part of my current process would break first?
Your stock control. Because if you don't have, kasi pag you don't have stock control, you're just being reactive. Sabihin, pag may nakita mo, pag nagkaroon lang ng chance na marami ka overstock ka or understock ka, doon ka palang action. Diba? By that time, it's too late. But if you implement proper inventory systems like yung setting up of safety stock, pre-order points, and what have you, then hindi ka magiging reactive, magiging proactive ka. So ngayon, pag biglang nag-surge ng sales, syempre, ang mangyayari dyan, bibili ka ng maraming item, bibili ka ng just to adapt. Like for example, nung nag-pandemic, daming tao, daming business people lang or businesses lang bumili ng maraming products to stock. Pero in the end, hindi rin naubos kasi nga, hindi sila gumawa ng proper forecasting of sales. Hindi sila gumawa ng proper setting up of reorder points. Hence, maraming natapon na inventory or tapon na wastage.